Good afternoon, my friend. It's me Bisal from Kathmandu University, STEAM Education Master in Mathematics. Now, I'm going to describe about the understanding literature review. On this section, first of all, I would like to say thanks to our respected Indramani Shah, who is the assistant professor of Kathmandu University, and uh, he is facilitating on the research methodology program and on the date 11th March 2025 we are going to show this video in our college. So yes, I'd like to recommend okay to do collaborate in this section. Okay, first of all, the navigating the world the of the research, a comprehensive the review, the let's dive in the depth. Literature review, exploring the past research and finding the thematic review, then identifying the key with the pattern and the ideas. Theoretical review, the frameworks that shapes the study. The empirical the review with the research gap, examine the data and the uncovering gap. Policy review, the assessing the impact of the policies. We are going to discuss on this topic in this session. So be with us throughout the period. Okay. Here are the some pictures which are showing about the literature review. First of all, the introduction of the literature review. The define a systematic examination of the scholarly the source on the topic. The main purpose of this literature review is understand the past research, those research which were the written in the past or the done in the past, that should be the understand first, and identifying the gap and the inconsistencies and establish the foundation for the new research. With the help of the previous research we can make the foundation. As a result we can improve and gives some advice. The types of the literature reviews. Here are the some types. The narrative reviews, we summarize the key studies. Then the systematic review, follow the structured process to collect and analyze the data. Then meta-analysis, the uses statistical method to integrate finding. Then the scoping review, which makes the key concept and the research gap. These are the types of the literature reviews. And the definition of the thematic review, the definition, the organizes the literature based on these themes or the topic steps are followed. The identify the major theme. First of all, we identify the major themes, then compare and the contrast the studies. Then we discuss the common finding and the disagreement. The examples of the thematic review is the thematic analysis of the student engagement in the online learning. The next is theoretical review. The definition of the theoretical review is, in simplest form, I am going to define the analyzes the existing the theory related to the research topic. It means that it analyzes the theories the which are already exist on these topics. We analyze, we study, we analyze, and we find some things. The main purpose of this theoretical review is purpose understand how theories the shapes research perspectives, identify the relevant frameworks, compare the different theoretical the approach. Example, comparing constructivist and the behaviorist theories in the mathematics education is the empirical review with the research gap. What is empirical review? The review of the study based on the observation, experiment, and the real world data. Those data which are the we can observe, so we can the find from the experiment or the examples, the result of the ACE, the patient, the victim of the COVID, like that. These are the real world data. From these data, we can do empirical the review. Here are the some steps which summarize the key empirical findings. Then identify the strength and the limitation. highlight the unexpected area, the research gap. Example, lack of the study on how AI impact the student learning in the Nepal. This is the example, the lack of studies on the how AI we can do, or we can do a experiment or the survey there from where we can get the data and we can analyze the result and we can conclude. Okay, then the next one is the policy review. It means that which analyze the policy related to the research field. Its main purpose is understand educational reform, identify the policies, implications, the assess policies, effectiveness. The example, reviewing the national education policy regarding the digital learning. Now, connecting the reviews, the literature reviews provides overall backgrounds. Then thematic reviews highlights the common theme. Then theoretical reviews identifies the key frameworks. Empirical review examines the real world research. Policy review analyzes the governmental and the institutional. Now, at last but not least, the conclusion, we are going to the revise the whole part here in the form of conclusion. The literature review is the essential for research. Without literature, the review, we can't do the better research. Different types of the review serves the unique purpose. Similarly, identifying the research gap is crucial for the further study. Policy analysis helps in the practical the application.